Warm welcome to each one of you, and especially to Dr. T. Ramasamy, who has kindly agreed to be with us today and guide us on this workshop, which is a kind of initiative on behalf of Association of Geospatial Industries to have a constructive dialogue and exchange on the role and kind of contribution of Indian geospatial industry in establishment of National GIS program and facilitating and helping to really harness the value of National GIS for the national development. To begin with, I would like to present a bouquet to Dr. Ramasamy. Well, as most of you are aware of this program, I think this program is one of the milestone steps towards not only creating a national geospatial strategy, but making effective and very concrete utilization of geospatial information for various activities of the government as well as the people, and contributing towards the national development, people's empowerment, and realizing the goals. Well, National GIS, which is something which is very, very new, a trend which is seeing the light of the day, and several countries around the world have taken this initiative of setting up, and India has also initiated this program. Well, this is not something suddenly coming out of the blue, but this is, in my opinion, a kind of extension of NSDI, which started about 10 years back. And while initiating NSDI, professionals felt the need of bringing data from different sources and setting up the infrastructure. And that was more so driven by the national mapping organizations. But after initial experiences and the requirement of policy level engagement, I think the same program has seen a much larger role for itself, where one of the main ingredients of NSDI was to have something like where the agencies can share their data. But what has come up now is to have some kind of regulation or some kind of mechanism which not only facilitates the data but also provides a platform which can be utilized for developing applications and solutions and using it in different ways. So that's where I think the difference between NSGI and National GIS is, and that's where I believe that National GIS is something which is much more refined and expanded activity of what were showed about 10, 15 years back.